I'll give you a tour. You're gonna love it here. From the north to the south.
Hey guys, it's Lauren. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm back with another video. And today's video is a swimsuit try on haul. Okay, it's 2018 and it's like January, and I know you're thinking, Florence, really? Right now? Yes, right now, girl, because I know where my body gonna go doing whatever I want to do. And right now, since it's snatched and it look like summertime fine, I might as well bring it to y'all, because if I go eat right now, I'm gonna be summertime pregnant. So in the meantime, we're gonna get it while it's good. I have been ordering bathing suits, so if you enjoyed this video, you'll like another one. Let's get it to 100 likes and I'll bring another one. Okay, y'all get the point. But anyways, as you can see, I'm wearing one of the tops right now, so y'all cannot see it, but from how it's fitting me, I like it a lot. If you're new to my channel, go ahead and subscribe so you won't miss any more of my videos. Y'all, we're about to hit 23K. That's crazy. I'm pretty sure, I am predicting one day it's gonna happen, because not like one day it's gonna happen as in we're gonna achieve that in one day, because we're at 985. We hit 15 people in like it's nothing. So we got this. Squaggles. Make sure you share my videos to get it out there, and I'll keep on doing what I do. With that being said, smack that like button, like Bon Quiver like to say. Comment down below which one of this bathing suit was your favorite, and let's get into this video. So the first piece I would like to show you is the bathing suit I'm wearing right now. You can't see it because it's on my body, but you're gonna see it when I show you. But it fits well, it fits snugs on my babies. So I'm gonna head and show you the bottom to it. So this is the bottom to it. It is unnecessary right now. Wow, there's 4 screens. 2 just fell on the floor. There go 2. And the pennies is just like this. This is the pennies. But it got glitter. So it feeds your eye on the sequins, right? That is so pretty. That's how my top is. So the bottom is just glitter on the front, and the back is just solid black. So you're supposed to put the screens in here, I'm guessing, because you know I'm retarded and I don't know what it was thinking. But it just got 2 bolts. Well, 4 bolts. Do you see it? It's like a circle. Wow, I'm really bad at this YouTube showing thing. Circle. Put the screen through the hole. I don't know how this works, but I'm going to figure it out when I show y'all. But other than that, we're going off my pure my thoughts on how I feel about this bathing suit. They're all under $12. So if you like cheap, affordable bathing suit, you click on the right video. Make sure you like, share, all that great stuff, because I got you. And I'll tell y'all if I like it, you should go for it or not. The fabric feel great. This is a size extra large, if you don't know. When it comes to baby suit, I always get extra large or large, because the down part is blessed, okay? Blessed. Next baby suit I want to show y'all is another 2-piece, but it's an all white. I don't recall having a solid white bathing suit, so it's just white, and it got these pretty lines detailing right here. That's cute or whatever, you feel me? This is in a size extra large as well. And remember, all these bathing suit, the link gonna be in my description box, so if you like any, just click on it. This one is like exposed, so it's just a flower here. Like, it's clear and it's a flower. Literally, it's net all around the circle of the flower. I'm guessing this part right here, this small baby circle thread, is supposed to cover my nipples. Feel big time. I don't know, but we'll see when I try it on. But other than that, it's so freaking pretty, and I love it. I love it. It's so cute. I'm pretty sure I'll have to get boob patch, but supposedly that's supposed to cover my nipple and my areola, and mind you, we gonna see. We gonna see. We gonna see. But other than that, I like it. The fabric feels not like cheap fabric. So if you would like to go for this bathing suit, hit the description box. Hit it like baby suit I want to show y'all is for the one piece lover out there. As you know, I love one piece. Nothing wrong with one piece. It's this pretty. I love the fabric, and they got boob padding in there, but I don't like boob padding. Get on my nerves. It be trying to go all direction. So it's this pretty African pattern one piece bathing suit. Okay, African, okay. And then it's just like a ring around your neck, and then you turn to the back, it's like V-neck, but for your back. And they got this small zipper part over here, and they got hella scratch designing. Okay, African. Okay. This about to be my next favorite. You know I love African pattern. But okay. It's really cute. Love the pattern. Feel like great bathing suit material. Ooh, I don't even want to put it down. I can't wait. Ooh, okay. Let me interrupt real quick. This is an extra large, but it is squeezing my babies. Like, it's making me look like I got hella babies, but I don't. But like, but it's cute or whatever. Last but not least, what I have is this two-piece orange bathing suit. Mind you, I don't like it. It feels fake. It don't have no type of padding. You know, the panties look like granny panties. But I'm not mad because it's the top I wear anyways. Okay? But if you that type of girl, you go to the beach and then your nipple is showing through the bathing suit, this is perfect for you. But it feel like that fabric, where you can pull it off. That's what this is. So it's just like a half crop top, and then it's like a high-waisted orange panties. And mind you, it's more orangey than this. I don't know, my camera is not trying to show it love, but it's like the color orange. So I hope it do justice. That is for this bathing suit cheap affordable try on swimsuit haul. I hope you all enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe to my channel for more videos. Make sure you rate rate the bathing suit from 1 to 4, 1 being your favorite and 4 being your least favorite. Comment down below. Love you guys so much. Don't forget to comment which one was your favorite, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.